Welcome, here I've got OPPO A74 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we tap to this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Here at the first space we have the watermarks option, so let's pick it. And now we can add 3 watermarks: the phone model, date and time, and the location. By using the buttons from the right we can easily turn them on and off as we need. As you can see, we can add just the one of these 2 or 3 at the same time, so you can pick whatever you need. Now let me keep turning on all of them, and let's move back to the camera to take the picture to see these watermarks at the real one. Now let's move to the left button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is our photo with watermark in the left corner at the bottom, so let's get closer to it. And we have OPPO A74 5G watermark, so the device one, then date and time, and the location. And of course, when we don't need them or need another composition with watermarks, we have to go back to the camera, then to the right corner, pick the watermarks here, and use this as we need, or just turn them off. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.